Malena. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to share something with you guys. I had a really great experience shopping on Etsy, and as you all know, I have a Etsy shop myself. And I like to help others out by purchasing items from other Etsy owners. So I had an amazing experience the other day. I went online, I'm looking for connectors. I'm making a suit for myself just to see if it's something I can accomplish. I came across an Etsy shop named Vicky Fit, and I had the best experience ever with this shop. I believe they're out of Panama City, Florida. The shipping was, I ordered Monday and I believe I got the stuff on Thursday or Friday. So amazing shipping turnaround. She basically has competition bikini suits. She has bathing suit. I believe she has robes and jewelry, and what I went there for was connectors. So I found a couple connectors that I fell in love with. And then I found a suit that was pretty reasonable, and I thought, why not purchase that and add some rhinestones to it and make it my own suit? So I found a beautiful red bikini suit, and it already had connectors that came with it. It was beautifully sewn together. I mean, just the details and everything was absolutely amazing. It was a beautiful suit. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that. So I believe what I had purchased was the, I think it was the signature hard mold. For somebody like me that doesn't have implants, needs a little help, I've got natural chest, of course, and I thought buying that top would be perfect. There was little details about that suit that I really liked. The suit had little pocket inside where you can add, of course they've already got molding in them, you can add extra padding to them, which is, that's what I'll need, because when I lose weight before our vacation, or if I am planning to do a competition, I'm sure that is gonna be the first thing I lose. So I came across a few connectors, and I'm gonna show you guys these. They're so beautiful. So I'm gonna show you the front and the back, and of course, these would be the part to connect your top. So I've got some top strap connectors. Then I've got the piece I had purchased before was the center between the chest connectors, and it was too big. So I ended up buying these from her. So yeah, those will go between the chest. And then I got the side connectors for the bikini bottoms. And these are beautiful. I love the shape of the V. And I thought that those would be absolutely gorgeous with the material that I have. And I mean, the prices on her stuff is just, I mean, it's reasonable. It's within my price range. What I really fell in love with was this box. This is so cute. I love the design on the box. And then she's got her little label on top. So then you go and open it up, and you got the best part. Oh, there's a gift card inside. That's pretty cool. Check that out. So she gives you a $15 gift card to go towards your next purchase. On the back of the little card, these are really cute. I love the detail, the way that it's designed. She did a great job with her promotional items. It's got her Facebook, her Instagram, her Etsy shop on there, her email. So if you have questions, you can email her. So all the information you need is on this little card. I love that she gives you a $15 gift card. Check this out. Even the paper has all her little logos on it, which is super cute. You get inside, and there's the beautiful red suit. I fell in love with this. Absolutely beautiful. And you've got your top, like I said, has the padding already in it, and it's got the little pocket on the inside to where you can add additional padding if you need it. For someone like me, ends up losing a lot of weight, needs that little bit of padding. I believe the way that these suits were constructed is you can add more padding to them, and this edge here stays pretty thin against your skin, so when you're adding that extra boost, all your stuff doesn't come flying out. water falling out, I should say. And then the bottoms, she has sewn these together and left extra in case you need to take it in or let some out. There's the back. And I believe these may be the Brazilian cut. They're super tiny, but she has a lot of butt, and I like that. But she has her own little tag attached to the bikini. Like I said, the details are just so amazing. What she puts into this stuff. Having an Etsy shop, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of dedication. You try and make each and every customer feel special about their purchase. And when I left her review, she reached out to me within like a few minutes after leaving that review, which that's amazing to me, and just thanked me. And she also went to my YouTube channel and subscribed, left me a comment, which, you know, not every shop owner does that. So like I said, if you have the chance, or if you're in the need for a bikini for a competition or your vacation, go check out Vicky Ross Fit on Etsy. I believe she has a Facebook page. I'll leave all the information below. I'm super excited to get to wear this, and hopefully before I turn 40, I'll do my first competition, and this may be my first suit. Anyway, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. I'll leave all the information below on her site. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell and like this video. See you next time. Thanks for watching.